Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix voter registration errors. So first of all, review your registration. Check your voter registration status through your state's election office website or to identify the errors. Reach out to your local or state election office for guidance on how to correct the error. Prepare any required identification or documents that verify your information, e.g. ID or proof of residence. Follow the instructions provided to submit your corrections, which may involve filling out a new registration form or providing updates online. After submitting connections, verify your updated registration status to ensure the errors have been resolved. Keep an eye on the deadlines for registration changes in your state to avoid issues in upcoming elections. Act promptly to ensure you are correctly registered in time to vote. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.